And welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 8 hands-on exercise assessment Robert Flooring. This is the 8th chapter of Excel section of my anti-lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do your assignment, if you want me to do your complete course, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID mentioned in the description of this video. You can have me for your other courses as well, like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences and all other writing assignment as well. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step. If you want to do this assignment, just follow my video, watch complete video and you can get this assignment done by watching my video. You can have me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology or writing assignment as well. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step. Title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 8 hands-on exercise assessment Robert Flooring. So this is the title of the assignment, and first step of the assignment is to download the Excel sheet which we are supposed to use to do this assignment, and we will apply all the steps in this Excel sheet. So this is the Excel sheet that we are supposed to download, Exp19 Excel chapter 8 hands-on exercise assessment Robert Flooring. So I have already downloaded this Excel sheet and we are supposed to solve this assignment in this Excel sheet. We will apply all the steps in this Excel sheet. So I have already downloaded this Excel sheet. So let's go to step number 2, because step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel sheet. So in step number 2, it is saying that you would like to use the data analysis tool pack to create a histogram to visualize the data. So basically we are supposed to create a histogram, and histogram is used to visualize the data. To complete this task, first ensure that data analysis tool pack is active. Next, use the histogram feature the data analysis tool pack to place a histogram in the worksheet. So first we are supposed to make sure that we have histogram active. We have data analysis active in our worksheet. If it is not active, we will go to that then and we will make the data analysis active. So next thing is use the range C3 up to C13 as the input range. This is the range that we will use as the input range. And after that, use the range F3 up to F10 as the bin range. Place the output in the cell F13. Be sure to check labels, cumulative percentage and the chart output. Position the chart output so that the upper left corner starts just inside the border of F3. So basically we are supposed to create a histogram, and for this we will use the data analysis tool pack kit, and we will use C3 up to C13 as the input range, F3 up to F10 as the bin range. So let's do this step now. Go to the sheet. We will go to the data tab. After going to the data tab, click on data analysis. We are supposed to create a histogram, so we will check the histogram option from here. So I have selected the histogram option. So input range is given. You can see that C3 up to C13 as the input range. So we will select C3 up to C13 as the input range. So this is our input range. Then our output range is F3 up to, bin range is F3 up to F10. This is output range. Then it is saying that place the output in cell F13. So we are supposed to place the output in cell F13. So we will select F13 from here. F13. Then it is saying that be sure to check labels, cumulative percentage and chart output. So we will check this box label, cumulative percentage and the chart output. So that is required. Position the chart output so that the upper left corner starts inside the border of F23. So after entering these data, we will click OK. So we have got the result. Now it is saying that we are supposed to place the chart output upper left corner start just inside the border of F23. So F23 is here. This is F23. We will place the upper left corner of the chart in cell F23. So this is F23. So that is all about step number 2. So we have completed step number 2. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is you would like to add a linear trend line to a scatter plot to help better forecast pricing based on square footage of the installation space. You will position the chart to start in cell K3, place the square foot data in x-axis, the cost data in the y-axis, and add a trend line with equation and R square. Be sure to add a descriptive part chart title price forecast. So let me do this step now. So we are supposed to insert a scatter and we are supposed to add a linear line to the scatter. So let's go to the sheet and add the scatter. So we will go to insert tab. After going to insert tab, click on scatter plot. And now we are supposed to select the data for the scatter plot. So we will click on scatter. Select the data. So chart data is based on so we are supposed to position the chart in K3, place the square footage data in x-axis and the cost data in y-axis. So we are supposed to add this one, and now we will add this one. So you can see that square footage data will be in x-axis. That square footage is from C4 up to C13. This one, and the rubber flooring is from and the cost is from D4 up to D13. So we will get a chart after this. So this is our scatter plot, and we are supposed to place this scatter plot in K3. So let's position this in K3 now. So this is K3 where we are supposed to place this scatter chart. After this, it is saying that be sure to add the descriptive chart title. So we are supposed to add this chart title. So we will add this chart title here. So this should be the chart title. Now it is saying that it should show R square and the equation. First we are supposed to add a linear trend line. So we will go to the trend line and we will click on linear because we are supposed to add a linear trend line to the chart, and then we will click on more options. So from more options we are supposed to select we are supposed to select the display the equation on the chart and display the R squared value on the chart. So we will check these two boxes because we are supposed to display these two options on the chart. So this is the R square and this is the equation of the chart. So this is required. You can see that you would like to add a linear trend line to the scatter plot. So I have already added a linear trend line to the scatter plot. Then it is saying that you will position the chart in K3. I have placed the chart in K3, placed the square footage data in x-axis. You can see that square footage data is in x-axis, square footage data is in x-axis, and the cost data is in y-axis. So next thing is, it is saying that and add a trend line with equation R square. So we have added the equation and the R square value. So this is all about step number 3, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. You would like to use the forecast.linear function to calculate the cost estimate to install 1500 square footage of flooring. Be sure to use the cost data as the known y-axis and the square data as the known x-axis. Place the formula in cell I4. So basically now we are supposed to use forecast.linear function to calculate the cost estimate. So let's go to I4, and here we are supposed to use the function that is forecast.linear. So we will type forecast, so it will show us the forecast.linear function, this one, and now we will click on the insert function symbol to complete this one. And it is saying that we are supposed to use cost data as the known y-axis. So our y-axis will be the cost data. So this is the cost data, and our x-axis will be use the square footage data as the known x-axis. So we will use the square footage data as the known x-axis. So known, we have entered the known x and known xs that is given in the requirement. So our x will be I3, this one. So click OK, and we will get the estimate, square footage estimate. We got this one. So that is all about step number 4. And now we are supposed to do step number 5. In step number 5, it is saying that create a footer with your name on the left side of the sheet name code. So now we are supposed to create the footer. So I have completed this assignment. I have shown you how you can do this assignment by watching this video. But if you want me to do this assignment, you can see my WhatsApp number, you can see my email address showing at the bottom of the screen. You can hire me for your complete course, including Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignments. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignments as well. So have a look to the final version of the assignment. So this will be our final version. Histogram, then a scattered chart having a linear trend line on it, having a linear equation and the R square value on it, and then estimate of the square footage. So I have completed this one. I have shown you this complete assignment, but if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email, or WeChat ID. Thank you so much for watching my video. You can get back to me through WhatsApp or email if you want any help. Thank you so much again. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment to my video as well. Thank you so much again.